Kind regard to learning colleagues. My name is Oscar Manuel Rojas Segura, industrial engineering student. My group code is 504. Below, I support my personal presentation with this video. Hello everybody, my name is Oscar Manuel Rojas Segura. I am 25 years old. I am from Facatativá and I also live in Facatativá. I live with my wife, my son, my daughter, and our dog and our fish. I work in the oil sector. I am an industrial engineering student at UNAD. I like movies of all kinds. And what I like to do most is play soccer and practice BMX. My wife is Sirley. She is 26 years old. She is an excellent mother and wife. She works in Jambal, Colombia. She cooks the best spaghetti in the world. Sometimes I fix her nails and her favorite color is white. My son is Angel. He's a very active boy. Always invent different games. In the room, in the bathroom, during the lunch. His nickname is Tiger because he is very funny and naughty. He is 7 years old and he studies in the Grove School. My daughter is Maria. She's a very pretty girl. She is 5 years old. Every morning she hugs the dog and they play all day with my son Angel. All three are very active. My daughter likes to wear dresses. Her nickname is Maria Casquitos because she is very cute. I love all my family. My orange fish is Tom. He is very happy when I give him food. And my dog is Antonio Bartolomeo de las Casas. He sits down and waves with his paw. He is 1 year old. And they are my family. Sometimes we watch movies all night and eat popcorn. Very thank you.